G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, great to see you all again. Today we're going to look at a couple of different types of timber and the differences in the grain and the colours. Come with me and check it out. We've got for you today some red gum, and these are old fence posts, and here we've got a bit of spotted gum. You can tell the different types of timber due to the grain and the colours of the grain. This is what's been cut out of this one here. The smell of it is also different. This is red gum, and this is old red gum. And look at the difference in the colours, the patterns all the way through. This is a bit of fiddleback. Look at that beautiful fiddleback all the way through there. That's what we're talking about. So different types of timbers have different colours, different properties. We have different timbers from all around the world. Depending on where the tree grows, depends on the property of that. We can have a tree that's a Vic Ash or a Tassie Oak, spotted gum or red gum. And we can grow it in Australia in a number of different places, over 700 different types of eucalypts. And because Australia is such a diverse environment, not only can we grow it anywhere in Australia, depending on the species of eucalypt, we can also grow it on almost every continent around the world. But depending where we grow it, depends on the quality, the quantity, how well it grows, how fast it grows, and the makeup of the tree. You're gonna have to watch one of my videos especially on the growth of a tree, the growth cycle of a tree, and you'll see what I'm talking about with properties of different types of timber. Depending on the type of finish you want in your place will depend the type of timber, and depending where you want it, outside, inside, will also depend on the type of timber that we use. How we use it, the age of the tree or the age of the timber, how it's been conditioned, the moisture contents and everything else. So next time you're looking at doing a house reno extension or doing your own little home project, just remember the different types of timber gives us a different outcome. Different colours, different textures, the different way that we can cut stuff up, and overall the awesome type of finish. If you've got any questions about timber, flick it over to me and I'll have a geezer at it and I'll answer you as quickly as I can when I can. Thanks for watching, and like always everyone, stay unreal, banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.